To keep society safe from harm, the police have been given by Parliament wide and far-reaching powers to investigate, prevent and detect crime. Whether you are for or against a particular police power, like stop and search, vehicle stops, or the power of police to demand protesters give their names and addresses to them, police officers, like members of the public, sometimes misunderstand the law relating to the exercise of police powers, and that can have very serious consequences. If a police officer's encounter with a member of the public misuses their powers, this can cause serious anxiety to those subject to the power, have a major effect on community trust in the police as a whole, and the officer could be subject to disciplinary action. Alternatively, if a member of the public fails to understand police powers exercised on them and refuses to cooperate, they risk, amongst other things, getting arrested or committing an offence. During this series on police powers, we look at the range of stop and search powers, the power to seize and retain vehicles and how to get vehicles released, the power requiring drivers and protesters to give information, the power to search property, the power of arrest including citizen's arrest, and much more. By making these short legal video explains, we hope members of the public, especially residents, young people, drivers, members of the BME communities and protesters understand their legal rights and their legal responsibilities. These videos are prepared from the point of view of you as a civilian. I should also add, this particular video series on police powers has also been prepared with police officers in mind too. The police have a challenging time keeping us safe, facing daily dilemmas in doing so. Some of these ethical dilemmas have been explored in the Policing Ethics and Standards series, but police officers are human too, they make mistakes. So we hope whether you're a new or an experienced police officer, as a public servant these videos aim to be a gentle reminder of the powers given to you by the law to be used lawfully and responsibly. During the series you'll find some general advice offered which we hope you will find useful and practical with any encounter with the police. We're also going to explore some of the criticisms and recommendations for changing law on police powers being made by various groups from liberty organisations to police chiefs. So, if you want to feel empowered as a citizen by knowing the law and also part of the scrutiny of the police too, then consider subscribing to Community Legal Education and be the first to watch these short legal video explainers on police powers. And remember, Community Legal Education is non-profit making. Our goal is to be a free online legal resource for the public, so the law becomes easy to understand: legal rights, legal entitlements, legal powers and legal duties. These videos can also be used at schools, colleges and universities, in workshops, community meetings or during police training sessions. We also provide training to anyone interested in knowing more about the law, so please make contact via our email and see what we can do for you. And if you want to help us at Community Legal Education, then consider making a donation via our website. Tell us what you want our next legal explainer video should be on by contacting us via our email. And if you're really interested in helping us, then write a script or be the voiceover for one of our future videos. Remember to speak to a solicitor if you need legal advice. Thank you for watching, and as always, may the justice be with you.